Hello there, this is H3101 here. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to open a door in Minecraft. Now, you may be asking me, why are you doing a tutorial on how to open a door? Don't we already know how to do that? But no, it's actually very complicated. What you're going to do first is you want to make yourself a crafting table. Otherwise, you won't be able to craft a door. So you place this somewhere, here. And then what you're going to do, take some more wood. You need 6, and just get yourself a door. You get 3. Okay, so we're gonna place this door so that we can open it. And well, there we go. Why did you watch this video?
Hello there, I don't care. You eat pear and shave hair. I'm dying, you're dying, we're dying, everyone's dying. Stop crying, subscribe please, and like please, and hit the bell please, and don't kill cheese.